Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox not installing on your laptop. First, let's ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak connection can often interrupt downloads. Next, verify that your laptop meets Roblox's minimum system requirements, which typically include at least 1 GB of available storage and a processor from the year 2004 or newer. Finally, try temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall, as these can sometimes block the installation process, preventing Roblox from setting up correctly on your system. Moving on, a common fix involves clearing out old data. Start by clearing your temporary files and browser cache, as corrupted files can interfere with new installations. You can usually find these in your system settings or browser options. After that, completely uninstall any previous Roblox installations. This ensures no leftover files cause conflicts. Then, download the very latest Roblox installer directly from the official Roblox website. A fresh, clean download is crucial for a smooth installation process, giving you the best chance for success. Permissions can often be the culprit. Always run the Roblox installer as an administrator. Simply right-click the installer file and select Run as Administrator to grant it the necessary privileges. If that doesn't work, try installing Roblox in compatibility mode for an older Windows version, such as Windows 8 or even Windows 7. This can sometimes bypass issues with newer operating system features. Also, make sure your operating system is fully updated. Outdated systems can lack essential components for new software installations. For more persistent issues, let's look deeper. Check for any conflicting background applications that might be interfering with the installation. You can often see these in your task manager. Consider performing a clean boot of your system to isolate software conflicts, which temporarily disables non-essential startup programs. If all else fails, gather any specific error messages you've encountered and contact Roblox support. Providing them with detailed information will help them diagnose and resolve your unique installation problem efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.